In this video, we're going to learn how to set up your very first WordPress website. At this time, pause the video, I need you to log into WordPress, and in the top left, click My Site. Again, pause the video and get to this screen, something that looks like this screen, before moving forward. Alright, in the bottom left, you're going to click Add New Site. So you have two options. Right now, we're going to stick with the left option that clicks Start Now. Now we have four options here: blog, business, professional, or an online store. For my sake, I'm going to do business. After you select what type of website you have, it gives you an option to what the topic of your website is. At this point, you should have this down as well. I'm going to make mine a fashion designer. So here's the website it automatically generates for me. Next. Then I'm going to tell it my site's name. So this generally should be your business name. So for the sake of this website, I'm going to name it 146 Streetwear. Now it automatically adds it to the website it pre-made for you. So again, you can scroll through to see what it will look like, and then click next. You now get to choose a style for your website. You have modern, professional, sophisticated, and calm. I personally think the sophisticated version is best, so I'm going to stick with the sophisticated version. Now we have to give our site an address. Ideally, you also want it to be your business name. A ton of ones you have to pay for come up, like 146streetwear.com, 146streetwear.blog. You guys should just pick the first one that says free. Again, here's a ton of different plans. Right now, click Start for free at the top. Now give it a minute while it generates your first website, and now your first website has been created. Before moving on to step 2 of this video, I highly suggest you go through this setup list that edits the about text of the website, changes the homepage photo. You can ignore registering a custom domain and getting the WordPress app. Alright, after you are done with the setup list, it's time to change your theme for your website. On the left side here are many options to manage your website, but under Design, got a little squiggle next to it, click the drop down menu and then click Themes. Now here is a wide variety of free and premium themes. So if you want to click up here, for free, you can. You can change the subject, you can change the style and the layout. If you scroll, there's a ton of different ones. Choose which one you like best. Some may be better than others for what you are trying to accomplish. Consider how you want your users to go throughout your website and what visuals you would like them to see. I'm going to stick with the one I have now called Modern Business. When you click it, you have the opportunity to activate this design. This tells you a little bit more about it. And when you're ready, click Activate this design. Give it a minute, and your theme has now been activated. At this point, you can now begin to customize your website. So click the pink Customize Website button, and if you already closed that, you can go back to your main page and under Design, click Customize. Alright, so there's a lot you can do with this. You can change your site identity that allows you to update your own logo, change the site title, and add a tag line. Colors allow you to change some colors. Now keep in mind, every template does not have the opportunity to change the color. If I change the color on this one, you really don't notice anything. Menus is a one-page website. It doesn't have menus, but you may want to change your primary menu. Content options allows you to change what you want to display when it comes to your blog. CSS allows you to add custom CSS, but normally that's a premium plan. You can add a widget to your website, such as blogs, authors, blog stats. There's plenty. I'm not going to go through them all. You can mess around with the setting if you want. Finally, you have the homepage settings. You can make it your latest posts or a static page. Personally, I prefer a static page because you get the info you want out there. Now, back to our home of WordPress, not your home page. You can go to Pages, Home, and this allows you to customize the content on your home page. So instead of find the perfect piece, find the outfit just right for you. Then I can do under our looks, how we find the perfect fit. So just by typing in all these boxes, I can change everything. I can change this to an H4 to make it smaller, H2 if I want to. And over in the advanced section, I can add additional CSS or HTML anchors. Go through and edit the homepage as you want. You can change pictures by clicking the pencil after you click the image. You can upload your own images, add your own documents, or add your own audio. This is the part where I hand it over to you, and you guys just go mess around and play with the page to figure out what you can accomplish.